Okay, so I've arrived in Makkah in Jarwal bus station. That actually took about an hour and a half instead of 2. You can go to Medina from here as well, and you can see the clock tower behind me. And also this is the bus station where all the shuttle buses from the nearby hotels here come to drop you and pick you up. And from here a walk to the Haram is about 10-15 minutes. Okay, so time to go to my next hotel in Azizia once again, and go and have a rest.
لا لوحده إن شاء الله نحصل نخطب مع أحد ثاني.
Right, I've arrived at the hotel, this one behind me. I've gone in to check in, only to be told that there's no rooms available. This was pre-booked, but I haven't paid for it yet. I'm meant to be paying at the hotel. But the thing is, they don't have any rooms available, it's all taken. Guy said there's one becoming available, but they need to clean it up and stuff. But because right now it's almost Maghrib time, almost time for iftar, I just need to go out, go somewhere and see if I can find a restaurant nearby for some food, and then pray Maghrib and have a rest. I need a rest, you know. It's been a long day. So from Jeddah I came with the bus to Makkah for 30 riyal, and from where the bus stops in Makkah, Jarwal station, Jarwal bus station, from there to come to here in Al Azizia to my hotel costs 40 riyal. Okay, this part of Azizia seems a little bit more lively than where I was last time. And I saw, because we drove past that main road to come round to this bit, that's where all the shops and stuff are, so I think I'm gonna head there to try and see if I can grab some food. Oh, chaos. Traffic chaos. Okay, arrived at the room. One single bed and one, might call that a king size bed, I don't know. Little window here, not much of a view. First floor. Bathroom here. There we have it. Alright, this is for suhoor. Falafel, aubergine, hummus, egg, don't know, some other bits, potatoes and stuff, and bread. Faddal. Huh? Come on. Have it, have it. What is your name? Masmuka? Huh? Muhammad. من أين أنت؟ سوريا. ما شاء الله.
والذين على صلواتهم يحافظون أولئك هم الوارثون الذين يرثون الفردوس هم فيها خالدون ولقد خلقنا الإنسان من سلالة من طين.
So this video continued with my arrival in Makkah from Jeddah just in time for the last 10 nights of Ramadan. However, the last 10 nights were a bit of a roller coaster for me as I fell ill once again about halfway through and never fully recovered for the remainder of the month. And so once again I spent a lot of time in the hotel room and didn't get to film outside too much. As a result, the rest of this video is a combination of the entire days from 19 to 29 into this one video. What made these last 10 nights more special though was that I was joined by a large group of family members coming from London and Dubai. Unfortunately, I didn't get to spend enough time with them due to becoming unwell, but alhamdulillah for everything. So what happened? It started with a sore throat which kept getting worse each day. I get the usual cold and flu in the UK every winter, which starts with a sore throat for me. But this was something different. This became the worst sore throat I ever had. Every time I swallowed became painful. Of all days, this happened on the Friday morning before the 27th night. I was gutted. A day later, having a look at my throat inside, I can see it was red all over. My throat was burning. That night I could barely sleep. So I became concerned and thought, okay, I need to get this checked out. So early in the morning, around 8 a.m, I decided to go to the nearest hospital I could find, which was the Saudi National Hospital. I just took a taxi there and checked myself in. Doctor had a look, said I've got a viral infection, and she literally had the same a week ago. There were other people coughing in there, even the nurses, although they were at least wearing masks. So that's how I got it. Many times during prayers, there will be someone or another coughing next to me with no masks, and some people just don't even have the courtesy to cover their mouths when they're coughing. I'm not saying this to put anyone off, but I would highly recommend wearing a mask during prayers. You don't know who's gonna cough next to you. So anyway, she got me on antibiotics and paracetamol. Little did I know I'd be wired up on a hospital bed for that. While getting the drips, I started feeling cold, so I asked for a blanket. They eventually got me one. Once the drips finished, they took off the wires and left me there for a while. During this time, I fell asleep on the bed. After a while, they came looking for the blanket to give to someone else. They see me there and go, "What are you still doing here? You're done, you can go." They never told me I can go, and besides, I got comfortable and fell asleep. So what were the costs? It was 57 riyal 50 to get checked by the doctor, and about 70 riyal to get the antibiotics and paracetamol drips in the hospital. The doctor also prescribed a course of antibiotics tablets and paracetamol to pick up from the pharmacy. That was another 70 riyal or so. All in all, around 200 riyal to get treated. That comes to about £40 or $50. So the next few days I was just in the hotel room taking the meds, resting and recovering. There were plans to do things with the family, like a day trip to Taif for example, but never happened. I missed Taraweeh and Tahajjud night prayers at the Haram in these last nights, including the 27th night, and prayed what I could in the room. 27th night saw a record-breaking 2.5 million people at the Grand Mosque, but I can only watch on YouTube and not take part at all. That was very saddening. This time round, I missed 4 more days of fasting, making that a total of 7 days to be made up after Ramadan. Thanks to everyone that made dua for me at the time. May Allah reward you all for your supplications and kind messages. One of the brothers in Saudi actually congratulated me for becoming unwell. Said it's a good thing, a good sign, and Allah knows best. Assalamu alaikum, you okay? You look gone. Are you alright? Yeah, alhamdulillah. Oh my god. Walaikum salam, you alright? Assalamu alaikum. Tara mo lang eh. Okay. Push. Yeah. You've got a nice floor, the whole floor.
Is it?
Everybody in? Ready for tea time? Right. We are all getting ready to go for the Hajj trail today. Inshallah. Seems blocked off by those barricades. Yusuf, do you want to walk? Walk? This is madness. There is the Mount of Arafat. We will shortly be climbing it. Passing Mina, the tent city. Meat, chicken tajin or meat tajin. Sizzling tajin. Arrived near the Haram. Chock-a-block of cars. Taxi can't reach the end. It will eventually, but might as well walk from here. Just a little bit quicker. 25th night. Tahajjud starting in half an hour. Literally no space. If you can't get into these barriers, that's it. You cannot pray outside. They're gonna keep moving you along. Subhanallah. Assalamu alaikum, peace be upon you. Another day of Jumu'ah, Friday in Makkah. I woke up with a really bad sore throat today. My voice seems a little bit broken. Couldn't make it to the Haram today, but I've come to this beautiful masjid, Aisha Al-Rajhi Mosque. I actually came here yesterday for Isha and Taraweeh night prayers, so I've seen the inside, very nice, and there's this large courtyard outside as well, full of people praying yesterday, and it's surrounded by some hotels. Beautiful day out here in Makkah. What's the temperature? Let's have a look. It's 36 degrees out here today. Guys here selling miswak.
محمد رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح قد قامت الصلاة